morning, students. Welcome to today's online science class. Standard 8, Lesson 1, Measurement, Topic Problems. Students, in this section we are going to see about the problems. So, what is that temperature conversion, radian and degree, how to convert a degree into radian and a radian into a degree, and then current. The problems related to that current topic. Okay, wow. So these are the three topics we are going to cover in this session. First problem, convert 80 degree into Kelvin. What is that question? Convert 80 degree into Kelvin. First we have to know the formula of that. We have to convert Celsius into a Kelvin. Okay, ma'am. So the formula is K is equal to C plus 273. This is the formula to convert Kelvin, Celsius to a Kelvin. Okay, so K is equal to C plus 273. So K is nothing but a Kelvin scale and C is a Celsius scale and 273 is the lowest fixed point of the Kelvin scale. Lower fixed point of the Kelvin scale. Okay, so the formula is K is equal to C plus 273. Okay, wow. So that what is the given? So Celsius values given that it is a 80 degree. So K is equal to 80 plus 273. Now we have to add this 273, 80. So 3, 15, 3. So the value is K is equal to 353 Kelvin. This is the answer. Only one step. Okay, you have to add that the given value of the Celsius. K is equal to C plus 273 and then we have to substitute the Celsius value and then you have to add that value. That's all. Okay, so then next convert 300 Kelvin into Celsius. 300 Kelvin into a Celsius. In that first problem we seen that Celsius to Kelvin. In the second one we have to convert Kelvin to Celsius. So what is the formula for that? C is equal to K minus 273. This is the formula to convert Kelvin to Celsius. So the only difference is the symbol and then the degree is exchanged. Okay, so C is equal to K minus 273. So the next step what we have to do, we have to substitute the Kelvin value. C is equal to 300. What is that? The 300 minus 273. So C is equal to, we have to minus 300 minus 273. So we get 27 Celsius. So this is the final answer. Okay, so just we have to substitute that 300 value, Kelvin value, and then you have to minus 273. So C is equal to 27 Celsius. Okay, this is that second problem. Next we are going to see about that current. Do you know the electric current equation? What is that? I is equal to Q divided by T. I already thought. So I is equal to Q divided by T. First we have to read the problem. Okay. When 2 coulomb of charge flows through a circuit for 10 seconds, calculate the current value. Now we have to calculate the current value. Okay. So for that we have to write the given. What is the given value? 2 coulomb. 2 coulomb of charge. So the charge values are denoted by the symbol Q. Q is equal to 2 coulomb. For coulomb we have to write like this, C, okay, and then 10 seconds for 10 seconds. So for 10 seconds, so time T is equal to 10 S. So S is nothing but it is a second. We know the formula I is equal to Q divided by T. What we have to do now? Just we have to substitute that given value. That's all, okay. I is equal to, what is the Q value? 2. What is the T value? 10. So we have to simplify this. 1 by 5. So 1 by 5. I is equal to 0.2. 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2. And then you know that the SI unit of a current. What is that? SI unit of the current is a ampere. It is a ampere. What is the symbol of ampere? So the symbol of ampere is a A. So I is equal to 0.2 A. That's all. Okay. And then next we move on to the next one. So fourth problem. Okay. What is that? Fourth problem. Convert 60 degree into radian. What is that? Convert. We have to degree to radian. We have to convert 60 degree into radian. We know that 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180. Pi divided by 180. Here we have to convert 60 degree into a radian. So in 60 degree is equal to, write that pi divided by 180 into 60 degree. Okay, 0 will be cancelled, and then 1 6 or 3 6 are 18. So the answer is pi by 3 radian. Okay, and then convert pi by 4 into degree. Here we have to convert radian to degree. So we know the formula. Pi is equal to 180. So we already studied in that fourth problem. 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180. So pi radian is equal to 180. Okay. So what is the given radian value? Pi by 4. Simply we have to write like this. Pi radian is 180. Okay. We have to substitute the radian value. 180 divided by 4. We get 45 degree is the final answer. Okay. Thank you, students.